Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today on the Food Friday video we are making fried chicken sliders from The Sims 4. These look amazing. I mean, you saw the picture. They're gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. Follow along and let's begin.
Here is the recipe that I used. You guys can pause the video and follow along, or you can follow along to the actual video that I am making. And you can do this in multiple ways, multiple ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 2 separate containers, cornflakes, chicken breast, sour cream, probably 2 eggs, it doesn't say how many, hot sauce of your choice, this is what they used and that's what I'm gonna use, buns, salt and pepper. We're going to mix in eggs, sour cream, salt, pepper, and hot sauce in this bowl, and we're gonna put the cornflakes in here. You can crush them up a little bit if you want, if they're a little bit big. And then we dip the chicken in here. No, wait, we need flour. Oh, shit, yeah. Okay, so now that we have the chicken breast in nice burger-sized pieces, otherwise they'd be huge, we're gonna dip them in the flour and then the juicy mixture and then the cornflakes. Let's go.
I'm gonna use 2. Now we whisk it with a fork. Make a nice creamy sauce. I'm gonna actually add a little bit more salt and pepper too. Oh god, I got like egg yolk all over me. That looks good. That actually looks delicious. And it's, I think it's a good consistency too. Nice and liquidy. Now the cornflakes. I forget what these things taste like. I haven't had any in a while. They're not very sweet. Do they even have any fucking sugar in them? The second ingredient, sugar. Chicken, flour, sauce, this, barbecue. Or oven, whatever you want to cook it. All right, here we go. Flour. Okay, we put flour, chicken, and then the sauce. Oh wow, yeah, your hands are gonna get messy doing this. And then corn flakes. Yes, don't be shy on the cornflakes. That one's ready to go in the oven or barbecue. And then you do that with all the rest. Boy, remember you can't eat chicken? Remember that?
He doesn't care.
Oh, okay. I have a cornflake in my shirt. It's on the ground. Look. Look. Look.
Okay.
The cornflake.
I don't think she did.
Next, we are assembling the toppings. We got our buns. We're gonna put them on the barbecue just to warm them up very lightly, no crispy. Sriracha mayo for the bottom, then lettuce. Then I'm gonna slice up some pickles. We assemble, and we're ready to eat. This is just a little side bonus. I'm making a little drink on the side. So I have a beautiful cup with some ice in it. And then I have a pineapple bubbly, sparkling water. I have some pineapple juice. Orange juice. And then top it off with some more sparkling water. That looks really pretty. Well, taste test. Cheers, guys. It's really good. If you want to have a little fun Friday night, put some wine in it, champagne, alcohol of your choice. Tonight I'm going virgin.